to the beautifully uncomplicated world of container garden design. We're taking the guesswork out of it for you with these foolproof planting recipes. And this recipe is called Autumn Leaves. So this is a 15-inch pot. All recipes can be adapted to different sizes of pots. So I'm going to start with a thriller in the back of the pot. This is an ornamental millet. These tend to get strong roots on them, so I'm ripping these roots off of the bottom of the pot first so I can even get this out. But we love this ornamental millet look for summer, but also in particular it looks great in fall. I'm gonna add this colorful celosia next, right next to it. And then I'm gonna add in this marigold, really kind of instead of a fall mum. A lot of people think of mums at this time of year, but marigolds are wonderful. In the fall, they can really tolerate the cooler temperatures. Probably longer than a fall mum, honestly. And then on the side over here, I love the color of this ornamental cabbage. The cabbages actually get more intense color as the temperatures cool down in the fall. So I'm gonna add this on a slight angle so that it looks like it's coming up visible from the side of the pot here. Then I have this fall aster. And I was gonna add this over here, right next to the marigold. These come in different colors. I kind of picked a contrasting color combination here with the oranges and purples. Okay, next I have this little small fall mum in a 4-inch pot. Again, great colors to coordinate here with the other ones that I picked, but it's a little one, so I just have a little pop of a fall mum here. And then this is a great ornamental pepper. I love the dark foliage, and it has such adorable purple and orange peppers on it. So I'm gonna add this right here as an awesome contrast of color. And then finally, I'm gonna add in this creeping Jenny, which is a nice spiller, really to brighten things up. This looks good in any combination, honestly. You could add this in any container garden. So I'm gonna add this right next to the aster and the ornamental pepper. And then I think what I'm gonna do too is add in some Indian corn. So I like to just fold these up a little bit. The leaves are always really pretty for a nice fall touch. And just stick those in there. And then I think I'll add in this white small mini pumpkin. Okay, and then in the back here, I'm gonna add in a little more soil. Sometimes you have to, sometimes you don't, depending on how much soil you started with. And there we have our autumn leaves recipe.